Alright guys, so here it is. We finally completed the, what is it? Haunted house? I don't want to call it haunted. Scary maze.
Spooky maze.
Yeah, scary spooky maze. So we finally finished, and I'm going to walk you through because tomorrow for Halloween, the kids are going to come through. So you guys got to make sure that you check that out tomorrow. But I'll walk you through right now what we did so far. And right here, you guys probably can't see this, but we have like twinkle lights behind this black curtain. And right here we have our little scary spider. Now he's supposed to move. He's motion activated, but we got to put some batteries in him. What else? We have our scary spider web going across this way. So when they come in, the kids will walk through the scary spider web, or actually underneath it because they're not that tall. I have candles going at the bottom so that way they can follow their path and not trip on anything. We have our jack-o'-lantern right here. I have him sitting on this box. So he's all lit up. We have some orange Halloween lights right here. Some paper lanterns hanging down just to kind of give that extra effect. Again, we go here and there is another candle. And before they walk through, they have another spider web to go under. So I'm gonna make sure I duck. My husband needs to duck too so we don't bump our heads. Here's another paper lantern. Here is my ghost. If you guys haven't seen the video for this, please be sure to go check it out because I did a tutorial on how I made this ghost. So here he is. Then we have some up lights going on just to kind of give that whole spooky maze effect. Have some pumpkins, and then I put some lights in there. Here's another up light. Oh, just bumped my head. Let me back up. I totally forgot about this. We have the we have the spooky bat. He does look really, guys, like he's pretty crazy. So we have him hanging up. Also I have some spiders. These are just paper cutouts that I made. And the crazy thing is, you guys can't really tell, or maybe you can, but this paper is glow in the dark. I did not know until I purchased a black light and actually seen that they actually glow. All right, so let's keep going. We have our candle right here, a couple little spiders. Now, here's our cauldron. I think I'm saying that right. So we do have this, and it's supposed to, create the whole smoke effect. You guys can see it. We haven't really figured out how to get it to work without me doing this, so I'll keep you posted on that as well. And so we have our little witch right here. She's hanging up right next to her cauldron. Next we have some more paper lanterns, and then we have our little friendly ghost right here. So once they keep moving along, they'll come and they'll see this guy right here. This is my 8-foot color changing ghost. And keep moving along. They'll go through and have to kind of push their way through this. And we have another pumpkin. He's just sitting on the box with another candle inside just to give that special effect. Then we have our spooky curtain. If you guys can see, it's just like that black material. So I'll go through that. Okay, so next we have this when they come out of the maze. This is supposed to be a hologram, and it didn't work out. I thought that I could kind of set it up. I guess I didn't watch enough YouTube videos to kind of figure it out. So but I think my kids will still think it's kind of cute that they'll actually get to see these cute little monsters dancing. It'll kind of make everything a little less spooky when they see them. So what I have is, this is like a plastic Dollar Tree plastic tablecloth, and then behind the tablecloth is our actual projector with this video. Alright, so moving along, I have some little monster feet right here, and then I'll show you this. This is what's making everything glow. I have my black light right there. And next we have the party area This is where we're gonna let them kind of like open up their, eat their candy and stuff. So we just have the black going all the way around. I got my cute little ghost right here that says Boo. That white part over here, this is just part of the spider web. The spider web actually is something that you're supposed to put outside, but I just found a way to kind of drape everything in here. And actually, before I come through here, I have this spider web that I just ran into. So it's gonna be kind of annoying, but it does add to the whole effect of this whole setup. My table is pretty simple, just a black tablecloth with a white runner. Then I have like it's dark in here. I'm trying to do everything in the dark to kind of give you guys that feel what it's gonna look like. I'll turn the lights on so you guys can see everything again, but I just have my, this is Halloween garland. I have my chair all covered. I have my little ghost right here that I made. You guys, this ghost right here is, I was trying to find things around the house to kind of make some Halloween decorations, and this is nothing but, let's see if I can show you guys without phone. Actually, let me grab one. So this ghost is nothing but a blow-up bowling pin with a chair cover on top, and then I just, cut out some eyes to put on top. So very simple table setting, very easy to do. I got a couple of balloons, if you guys can't really see them. I have some little ghosts I made with paper. I have this thing right here. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be, but it's actually just my ring light. And then I just put this little spider on top. It just kind of bent his legs. Again, I got my little ghost right here, and got a few candles on the table, and that pretty much wraps it up. So now I'm going to turn the lights on so you guys can get a better look, and I'll walk through again so maybe you can see things a little bit better with the light being on. Okay, so now I'm going to show you with the lights on so you guys maybe be able to get a better look at everything. So we have this black backdrops right here when you first come in. Here's the spider web. So they'll walk here, you'll see the jack-o'-lantern. Here, actually this is just, I think I'm going to add some signs like go away or stay out. I'll do something kind of just to add to this background right here. But once they get here, they turn and go this way. And here's the spider web again. So here's the paper lantern. There's the ghost with some uplights. Pumpkin. Here's the bat. The spiders on the wall. There's another one. There's the cauldron that's not working. Cute little witch. Lantern. Little friendly ghost. There's the other ghost. And if you walk in and walk through this, see that? The spooky curtain. This is the actual tablecloth I was talking about. And then here's the actual table setup. You guys can see a little better. Here's the spider web and ghost and all the balloons going around the floor. There's the table setting. And I did alternating colors of the black and white for the chairs. Here's my ring light with the spider web on top. And my little friendly ghost. The other part of the spider web. And you guys, that wraps it up. So you guys have to come back. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell. That's really important if you want to see my kids' reaction to this whole setup. So they have no idea, because we're not going to celebrate Halloween like we normally would by going trick-or-treating. We are going to do our own home thing. I think I'm going to just have them go in our backyard, and I'm going to set up like tables of like candy where they can go and pick candy from different buckets. And then once they do that, they'll come through this maze that I just walked you guys through, and we'll end up here where they'll go and sit and eat their candy and have a ball. Alright, so that's it. If this video was helpful or you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. If you guys haven't checked out some of my other videos with how I made some of these things, don't forget to do that as well. And I will chat with you later, you guys. Take care and stay safe.